day for 20 years. Then, suddenly, silence. In Australia, a woman named Margaret had a cockatoo called Snowball. Every morning while she made breakfast, Margaret would sing, and Snowball sang back, loud, joyful, and perfect tune. For 20 years, this was their ritual, until Margaret's husband died suddenly. Margaret stopped singing, and so did Snowball. Days turned into weeks of silence. Then one quiet morning, Margaret heard a sound. Snowball was singing again, not their song, but the exact tune her husband used to hum, a song Margaret had forgotten, but Snowball hadn't. Some memories live in the smallest voices. They remember what we forget.